Hello guys, welcome. Today, I want to show you how to make personalized glitter tumbler designs using AI. The tools I will be using is Midjourney AI and Canva. These glitter designs are very easy to make, and you can create a template that you can reuse over and over again. This personalized print-on-demand niche is very hot right now, because you can get these tumblers for as low as $17 with Printify Premium, and sell as high as $37 on Etsy, netting you a profit of $20 for every tumbler you sell. That means that by selling just 50 tumblers a month, you will make about $1,000. I don't know about you, but this is very good money for a simple side hustle income that won't take much of your time. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is create the glitter background in Midjourney AI. To do that, you should log in to your Midjourney account. Go to the Midjourney newbie server or use your own server. For this video, I will be using my private server. Next, click on the text box and type "imagine" and click enter. Then write this prompt, "Pale gold glitter sandpaper texture." Click enter and your images will be generated. You can use any color and style of glitter you like. If you want to know more about this, please check my previous video in the link below. So now the 4 different images has been generated. I really like this one over here. I will click the upscale button to isolate it. Once that's done, I will click on the image. Click open in a new browser to see the high-resolution image. Then right-click on it again. The menu will pop up. Then click Save Image to download to your device. Now you have to upscale the image so it's not blurry after printing. To do this, you should go to bigjpg.com. Click on Select Image. Choose the glitter background you just downloaded. Click on the Start button and a menu will pop up. Choose 4x to upscale the image to 4000 by 4000 pixels. Click the OK button. It will take a moment for the image to upscale. Once it's done, click Download. The next step is to go to canva.com. Go to Create New Design. Select Custom Size, then enter the tumbler dimensions. I got the size I am using from Printify, so make sure you check with your print-on-demand provider to know the exact dimensions you need. Once the document is opened in Canva, go to Upload section on the right. Click Upload Files, and choose the upscaled glitter background. Click Enter and it will be uploaded to your Canva library. Next, select the image. It will appear on the design screen. Here you can resize the glitter image to fit the canvas. The final step is to add the text. This would be the customer's name. You can choose any font you want, but for this design, I will choose a handwritten font because it looks good. Make sure you center the text. Once you are happy with the design, you can click on the Share button, then the Download button. This is the personalized tumbler template that you can change later, so make sure you save it with a name you'll remember. After downloading the final design, you can go to your print supplier. I am currently using Printify. Click on the menu, select Home and Living, select Bottles and Tumblers, then scroll down to choose the skinny tumbler with straw option. Click the Start Designing button. As you can see, this is where I got the design dimensions I used earlier in Canva. Now all you have to do is click the Upload button on the left and choose your design and click Done. It will be automatically uploaded. Click the Preview option to see the mock-up images. Once you are happy with it, you can click Publish and it will save to your store that you've connected. If you are not happy with this white space at the bottom, you should go back to the catalog and select the Mars Maker Skinny Matte Tumbler. It's almost the same size and price with the other type of tumbler. Remember to adjust your design dimensions if you change the tumbler. You can also change the base colors of this tumbler. When you're satisfied, you should upload the design and you'll see there is no space underneath your design, which I think looks better. One thing to remember is that because this is a personalized product, you should order the product yourself after the client buys it on Etsy. To save time, you should make different types of glitter backgrounds and create templates. So every time an order comes in, all you have to do is change the name and download your finished designs. If you want to know how to create other types of glitter backgrounds with Midjourney AI, please watch my previous video. I will leave a link in the description below. So that's it from me, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI money ideas. If you have a question or suggestions, you can leave a comment. Until next time, bye.